Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm again back with another topic to be discussed. Yesterday's video, I think some of you have watched. I saw it's around 50 views. It's a big deal for me. I know that slowly and steadily, most of us will get connected. In India, all over the world, there are thousand and thousand of software engineers, and we all almost face the same things. So that's why I've started my YouTube channel, because basically it's a community actually, to get connected. So today's topic which I have come up with is I see a lot of posts on this topic, that is whether I should choose big MNCs, service based organizations, or product based organizations, which is good for me. So the first thing, that will be the introduction part. So introduction part, I will be telling you what is actually a service based organization and what is a product based organization. So service based organizations are the big MNCs which give services to its clients. So in service based organizations, they don't have their own product. We work on a client's product. You would have heard about all these famous MNCs: Infosys, TCS, Accenture, IBM, Cognizant, and Mindtree. All these are few of the famous service based organizations, and I have been connected with few of them already. These are the services, these are the companies which provide services to its client. So we actually work on their products. The products which they are building, they are have some people from their company, product based company. Like if you think of for example, Amazon is building its own product, but Amazon has huge requirement, and we all know that how many employees Amazon hires. So they always what they do is that few of the products they give it to few of the clients. So the clients can be any of the service based organizations, and meeting upon your skills, you are being given a particular project. For example, I work for JavaScript, so I'm given a project where I'm working on JavaScript, right? So this is the main difference between a service based and product based. Product based, it works on the people of that organization work on their products, and service based, where we are giving services to this product based companies. Now the second topic which I have written is the working culture. Yes, there is absolutely a difference in the working culture of these two companies. So you can only think of it, right? So there in product based companies, they are working on their own products, and here we are working as a vendor or contractors, right? So there is a difference in the working culture, about the processes being followed, about the policies which is there. So slowly and steadily, I will tell you about much more on this working culture. I will make a specific video on that. So this is one of the thing. Now the thing comes into our mind is the pay package. Which company pays you more? Generally product based companies pay more, but yeah, there are hot skills. Have you heard about this term, hot skills? There are certain hot skills where the service based organization also pay you decent well. Okay, so if you are a fresher, try to take the skills according to that. Always try to upskill yourself and try to learn the newest one. Don't go for the oldest one which is outdated right now. This is one of the thing. And the other thing is then the rewards and hikes. So now in service based organizations, your rewards depends upon various other things. How you perform, how your project perform, how your unit performs. All these things comes into picture in deciding your hike factor or reward factor. Now if you think of any product based company, if your product is doing extremely well, they will pay you more. And of course, product based company, they give employment to a specific number of people. And you know the strength of our service based organization. Infi has now, I think right now it might be having more than 3 lakhs employees. So of course the rewards and hikes are much more higher in the product based organizations. Learning curve, now learning curve, I would not differentiate on the basis of product based or service based. Learning, it's something, it depends on you, what are the opportunities you are getting, and like how much exposure you are getting. So in product based, people usually get more exposures because as I'm repeatedly mentioning, they are owning the products, so they have more exposure to the newer technologies, are much more exposure in the projects. So in that case, if you think that if you are a part of a product based organization, you can have more exposure than a contractor who is working on it. And the other thing is work life balance. So with that I will be concluding it. Work life balance, now see, work life balance, it depends sometimes on you and even on the product or on the project you are working. There are people in my family itself who works in a product based organization, working for around 10 to 12 hours a day, sometimes more than that. We all know how we have to work in the time of when there is a release ahead. And even like service based, like myself, today I worked for some like 10-12 hours, and if you have some urgent requirements, you need to extend and you need to work. So work life balance, I feel that it is much more better in the product based organization. But yeah, then it is again a little bit contractual, I would say. And so with this I would be concluding this video, which is good for you. So that depends on you. You have to think, you have to decide what is good for me. I have been seeing people posting every day, I have offers from this company, that organization, this organization, which one to choose, which one to prefer. Man, use your brain, think on yourself. Because you know you yourself the best, so you think where you could go, where you would be having a good learning curve. And of course we all know money matters, so we can have to think the one which is giving us more job security and which is giving us much more packages, and if it has a good learning curve, then please go ahead for it. So I would like you people to comment. I would like to see how many things that product based is better for them or service based is better. With that, I don't want to extend the discussions or these videos to make it a huge, because nobody has that much of time to sit and listen blah blah blah. So let's end this video. If you are liking my videos, please encourage me. Just you have to do like, share and subscribe. This is the only thing I request from you all to do it. Share as much as possible so that more people see and I get more friends, more connected. Thank you everyone.